Hello friends, Vikas Agarwal this side. This is Kalyan Jewelers daily time frame charts. You have any system which will give you entry at this point with my indicator, and you will get exit at around this point, around 350. You will get an entry at around 120 in June 23, and within a 6 month this stock will give you 3x return. Do you have any system? If not, this video is for you, because I am going to share you a very good swing trading setup that is called RS55, relative strength 55 system. Okay, this I am going to discuss with you in detail, and I will share you one charting screener from which you can get the stocks which are just crossing zero line in our indicator daily. You will get many stocks which are crossing the zero line, and you can take entry in any of those with based on price action and fundamental and any other analysis you are currently doing. But you learn this system. I am using this system from very long, and this is used by or developed by one of the famous trader and investor. You may have heard Vivek Bajaj sir of StockEdge and Alien Market, Kolkata based trader. He has made this, and this shared this setup in YouTube in detail. So I am again sharing because I am using. So for my community I am sharing this setup. You also learn this setup and try to grasp each and every minute detail and use it, and you will get benefit. So first of all, happy new year to all of you, and we'll start with this Kalyan Jewelers example because I have traded, so I remember. After a accumulation zone, this you can see that volumes have almost dried up. This region you can see there is no volume, so retail players are thinking that now this stock is dead, it will not go anywhere. Now after this, suddenly this big green volume you have seen. Yesterday I made a relevance of this volume video, you may have seen. So here at this point you would have taken entry based on maybe breakout, but you don't know up to which point you have to stay in the trend. For that, this indicator helps. This indicator is called relative strength of a stock given by Bharat Trader. This indicator you have to apply, and one more indicator you have to apply, RSI. So whatever our setup is, when this relative strength crosses zero line and RSI is above 50, this line is 50 line. So when RSI is above 50 means stock is having momentum, and when this RS line crosses zero, it shows that stock is outperforming the Nifty in last 55 daily candles. Again I will repeat, this relative strength is like two cars are racing and one car is outperforming the other. So this stock is outperforming the Nifty in last 55 daily candles. Why 55? 55 is a Fibonacci number, so that we are using. If you want to use this in weekly time frame, you use 21 period, 21 you use. And if a stock is positive in 21 rs, then that is better if it crosses 55 rs just now. If any stock is positive in weekly chart 21 period relative strength, and now that stock is crossing 55 rs in daily chart, that is the best setup. Only thing we have to see is RSI is above 50. Once you have taken entry, then RSI you need not to see. This RSI went again here below 50, but here we will not exit. We will exit when this RS line will cross the zero line here at this point. Okay, at this point somewhere we'll take exit. Again if it crosses the zero line upward, again we'll take entry. Okay, so this is our setup. Now how to apply this indicator, where we'll find, how to know which are the stocks which are just crossing zero line today, that for that detail screener I will share how to put this indicator, and some more stocks we'll see how this works. So first of all, I will go to the, again I will start from the scratch. So first you have to open Nifty trading view. If you write, your that trading view terminal will be open. From here you can open any stock. So this will close, and then this relative strength is not just an indicator. If you are thinking this is just an indicator and I will not apply indicator, you are wrong. It is comparing your stock with Nifty. With your price action study also you can compare, but it's very difficult. What price action says, if Nifty is falling and your stock is sideways, that itself shows that your stock is outperforming Nifty. Or a simple concept is, if Nifty is breaking its previous low. This is previous low. If Nifty is breaking this low, but your stock is able to sustain above that low, above its previous low, then that stock is stronger than Nifty. This is simple concept, but for a very long period you cannot apply this. So for that, this indicator is there. This will help you in identifying the stocks which are stronger than Nifty. This is the whole concept. So here our Nifty comes. Nifty, for Nifty this line is flat because you are comparing with Nifty only. Now if you want to go to any other chart which has recently gone up, so you will see, suppose Zomato you would have traded. You don't know how, where to trade Zomato, where. So Zomato, if you see, it was positive from this point. You see this point, it is positive, and RS line is above 50. You will take entry about somewhere here with this system about 53, and where it has given you exit, this indicator, one more setting you can do, this confirmation bubble you can off. We don't need that bubble. So here also, if you would have taken exit this point 133, so you will get a decent amount of. And if you are thinking this is also green line, let me tell you, you have to trust the system. Suppose you would have taken entry here and exited as per the system at this point. You would have traded at this point and exited at this point. You would have not been so much loss. Okay. But if you trust the system and you again take an entry at this point and you be in the trend up to here, okay, we'll see how much return you will get. Suppose at this point we will take the entry and we'll be in the trend up to here, 150% in just 200 candles, means almost like 1 year 150%. Any other stocks like Colgate I have traded, so I can tell you Colgate Palmolive, this one Colgate Palmolive India, this if you see with this system how beautifully it worked. You see here somewhere this stock given entry this point, then again it given exit at this point, and when the second time it given entry at this point, it has given a huge return. Okay, like somewhere if you go by this way, if you exit at this point also, this point, you will get a handsome amount of profit by this simple system. You should always trade with a system. 54%, and again you will take entry, and finally it has now underperforming the Nifty. It is below the zero line, this indicator. Okay, one more is Dixon Technology. This you see, this somewhere here it will give exit, entry, immediate exit, then again entry, and then you see the beauty of this. Here it will give you an exit. So you can get up to this point to this point. You can check in all of stock, like whatever you are having or you want to buy or you regret to buy something, you apply this system and see that whether it's working or not. Then only decide. Use it with small amount. I am not having any benefit. This I am not giving. This is not my indicator. So you can think that I don't have any personal benefit if you use or not. I'm just sharing. So how to apply this relative strength indicator? I will delete this. And RSI, you know, from indicator you have to just search RSI. That other one, if you have to use relative strength, you have to write relative strength. Then that bottom this will come. Relative strength of a stock by Bharat Trader. This one. The code is 3222. Okay. Yes, you have to click. First of all, this will come as a 123. So setting you have to go. This indicator setting you go, and in style you have to close this confirmation bubble. At input this 1.23 you have to change in 55. Now your indicator is ready. So from here you would have taken entry, and at this point also if you get exit this point, you will get a handsome amount of profit. Again you have to take entry and exit, entry, and then you will be in trend up to now. Suppose you have followed the system, you are not afraid. That is very big line to say. You trust the system, then what will happen? The magic happens. If you trust the system, you will take entry here also. Then it has not given you exit till now, 182%. So indicate, this is not indicator, and there is no egos that I will not use indicator. Indicator is helpful if it is doing well for you. So indicator is helping you to see whether the stock is outperforming the Nifty. Now where to find out that which are the stocks which are crossing zero line and above RSI 50? We cannot go and search everything. So there are many ways. First is paid version. Paid version is StockEdge, the Vivek Bajaj Sir's own app. StockEdge. StockEdge, you have to purchase some 1700, you have to spend. Then this page will come. Here in this page, if you go there, you will get some analytics section. Analytics section, I will do that. Analytics section, this scan is there. Scan in price scan. This relative strength 55 scan is there. So relative strength 55, if you open, relative strength going above 0. These are the stocks which are today on 3rd January, these are crossing 0 line. These are some stocks, some 8-9 stocks, Saregama, Jindal Steel, Century Plywood. So you have to go and see all of them. Then you have to cut some stocks. You have to eliminate. How you will eliminate? Based on that, which are the stocks which are giving EPS growth. ROE is better or not, P ratio is not very high. Then price action also, you can see that some of the stocks may be about to break some consolidation zone. So you should wait for that breakout to happen, because always that is better if you add some more parameters that will give you some more clarity and some more betterment in the system. Because all of 9 stock you cannot take entry, and daily some stocks will cross the 0 line. And one more thing what I tell is, you in these stocks, all of these stocks, you go and see that in weekly chart, which are the stocks which are RS21 positive. Suppose this is our stock Dixon, this is RS positive in daily chart in 55. So what we'll do is, we'll make it a weekly chart, and weekly chart in RS setting we will change to 21. Now you see in RS21 also it is positive from this area. So when this area RS55 will become positive, I will take entry. Okay, this is the way you should do this trading, swing trading for this system. Now I will share one charting screener in the description box. This is that screener RS55, and this screener, when you click, this page will open. And in this page you have to change this number 3.64 minus 3.64. What is this number? This number is last 55 daily candles return of Nifty. Nifty has given this much return. We have to see today's. When I made this in charting screener, that day this number was 3.64. So if you don't want to use paid version of StockEdge, if you want to use the free version, you have to do this much of work. So you have to go to the chart, make it daily chart, and then open the Nifty chart. Once you learn, this is just 2-minute work. I will show you. So in that 55 RS, if it is 55, one number comes here, RS 55, one reference date is here, 15/10/2024. Means this is the date from where we are comparing, 15th of October. So you have to measure from 15th of October Nifty how much return has given. So 15th October candle is somewhere this one. This is 15th October candle. So from this closing to today's closing, to this closing, we will take this measurement tool and we'll, like this we have to do. Okay, so we'll zoom little for you so that you understand clearly what we are doing. This is the measurement tool we have taken. 15th October candle is this one. This is 15th October candle. This closing to today's closing, how much? Minus 4.21. This number is came minus 4.21, minus 4.21. This number you have to put in that screener. then you will get all the stocks which are just crossing zero line. If you want to see, we'll put and we'll see. So here we'll go minus 4.21, then run scan. You see in that stockage also this Saregama came, here also it came. 14 stocks have come. These 14 stocks you have to go and see whether our system is satisfying all the requirements. Then you have to eliminate the stocks based on weekly chart RS21, also fundamentals like EPS growth is there or not. Then you can start taking entry. The major requirement for swing trading is overall market should be uptrending, but currently it is not uptrend. So you should wait for Nifty also to make a uptrend. That time this system will work like magic. Okay, so hope you like this video. If you like, consider subscribing and sharing with your friends, and you can ask anything in comment section if you have any doubt regarding this system or any other video if you want. I'll always be there to help you in any manner. All the best and start using this system. Bye bye.